Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a support form in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking Marketing in the main navigation menu to expand the menu options. Then click Forms to open the Forms Management page. On the Forms page, click the Create Form button in the New Contact Us form row. A Choose How to Build Your Form page appears. Select the Legacy Form Editor option. Click Next to move to the Template selection screen. You'll see a blank template card. Click Start to open the form editor. The editor loads with a preview area showing your form and tabs across the top for form, options, style, and preview, and automation. A Collaborate with Comments pop-up appears explaining the commenting feature. Click into the form title field at the top and type Customer Support Request Form to name your form. Click Got It to close the pop-up and continue editing. When you're ready to publish, click the Update button in the top right corner. A Review and Publish modal opens. Click Publish twice to confirm. A confirmation message appears showing your form has been published successfully. After publishing, you can find your form again by going back to the Forms page under Marketing. All your forms are listed there. If you need to make changes later, just click on the form name to reopen the editor and click Update when you're done. The form editor lets you add more fields by dragging them from the sidebar into your form layout, so you can customize it for different types of support requests. You can also set up email notifications under the Options tab so your team gets alerted when someone submits the form. And that's how to create a support form in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.